10 must-visit places in Sri Lanka. Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on an incredible journey to the tropical paradise of Sri Lanka. This island nation is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, rich culture, and warm hospitality. So, grab your backpacks, and let's explore the top 10 must-visit places in Sri Lanka. 1. Sigiriya Rock Fortress. Our first destination is Sigiriya, home to the iconic Sigiriya Rock Fortress. This UNESCO World Heritage Site offers a fascinating glimpse into ancient Sri Lankan history. As you climb to the top, prepare to be amazed by stunning views of the surrounding countryside. 2. Kandy. Next up, we have Kandy, a cultural hotspot nestled amidst lush green hills. Explore the sacred temple of the Tooth Relic, witness mesmerizing traditional dance performances, and take a stroll around the picturesque Kandy Lake. 3. Nuwara Eliya. Moving on to Nuwara Eliya, known as Little England. With its tea plantations and cool climate, this charming town will transport you to a different world. Don't forget to indulge in a cup of world-renowned Ceylon tea. 4. Ella. Now, let's venture to Ella, a small town surrounded by rolling hills and tea estates. Hike up to Ella Rock for panoramic vistas, take a ride on the famous Nine-Arch Bridge, and soak in the laid-back atmosphere of this scenic destination. 5. Yala National Park. Wildlife enthusiasts, this one's for you. Yala National Park is home to an incredible array of animals, including leopards, elephants, and colorful bird species. Embark on an exciting safari adventure and capture some unforgettable moments. 6. Galle. Moving to the southern coast, we arrive in Galle, a colonial gem with a fascinating history. Explore the well-preserved Galle Fort, walk along the cobblestone streets, and soak up the coastal charm of this enchanting city. 7. Mirissa. Are you ready for some beach time? Head over to Mirissa, a paradise for sun seekers and surfers. Unwind on the golden sands, catch a breathtaking sunset, and, if you're lucky, spot some dolphins and whales during a thrilling boat ride. 8. Dambala Cave Temple. Prepare to be amazed by the Dambala Cave Temple, a sacred site adorned with colorful frescoes and over 150 Buddha statues. This spiritual haven offers a unique insight into Sri Lanka's religious heritage. 9. Trincomalee. Our penultimate stop is Trincomalee, a coastal town with pristine beaches and a vibrant underwater world. Snorkel or dive in the crystal-clear waters and explore the historic Konaswaran Temple perched on a cliff overlooking the sea. 10. Colombo. Last but not least, we return to the bustling capital city of Colombo. Immerse yourself in the vibrant street markets, visit the National Museum, and taste the delicious local cuisine that will leave you craving for more. And that wraps up our journey through the top 10 must-visit places in Sri Lanka. From ancient ruins to stunning beaches and captivating wildlife, this island nation truly has something for every traveler. So, start planning your trip to Sri Lanka and create memories that will last a lifetime. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting. Thanks for watching.